Hello guys and welcome to this video tutorial. I will show you how to open a Lidl Plus account in UK. So friends, all you have to do, go to this official website. You can download this app and you can register through your app. If you have any mobile, you can download this app. If you have a web, click this icon, the person icon you can see here. From this one, click register. After register, write your email, write your password, write a strong and a good password. After that, click next, and then choose your first name, choose your birthday, male or female, and click agree. Let's go. From here, choose your phone number. If you from Algeria, for example, if you from Algeria or any countries, I am actually now an Algerian. Choose your birthday dates. After that, when you choose your date of your birthday, write your verified phone number, and then complete your steps of registration. This is how you can do basically. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this